there! Welcome to this video on remote sensing. In this video, we will be discussing the definition of remote sensing, how it works, and its applications in various fields. So, what is remote sensing? Remote sensing is the process of acquiring information about the Earth's surface without physically being there. It involves the use of sensors that are mounted on satellites, airplanes, or drones, which capture images of the Earth's surface. These images are then analyzed to extract information about the features and characteristics of the Earth's surface. Remote sensing works by detecting and measuring the electromagnetic radiation that is reflected or emitted from the Earth's surface. Different features on the Earth's surface reflect or emit different types and amounts of radiation, which can be captured by remote sensing sensors. These sensors can detect radiation in different parts of the electromagnetic spectrum, including visible light, infrared, and microwave radiation. Remote sensing has a wide range of applications, including in agriculture, forestry, urban planning, disaster management, and environmental monitoring. For example, remote sensing can be used to monitor crop health and yield, detect and map forest fires, assess land use and land cover changes, and track changes in sea level and ice cover. Remote sensing is an important tool for gathering information about the Earth's surface without physically being there. It works by detecting and measuring electromagnetic radiation emitted or reflected from the Earth's surface. Remote sensing has a wide range of applications in various fields and has revolutionized our ability to understand and manage the Earth's resources. Thank you for watching this video on remote sensing. I hope you found it informative and interesting. If you enjoyed this video, please give it a thumbs up and consider subscribing to our channel for more informative content like this. Thanks again for tuning in, and we'll see you at the next one.